Hey guys, back at the Cob Barndominium. Today we're going to talk about what does done mean. We declared that we were done a few weeks ago, and if you follow closely, you might have been like, hey, that's not done. And if you know us personally, you know these guys are like, hey, we're going to do that. So let's talk about done, how far you have to go to be done. And what happens after done is done? Where are you going from this? Let's catch up. Thanks a lot, guys. So, we're done. We're done as far as I had an RV, and I moved my family into it, and we were in this RV for over 2 years, or we were living in an RV for 2 years. And now we're not. We wanted to be in with our most recent realistic goal of January, February. The coronavirus pushed that back a little. We are now, right as of the end of March, we've been staying in our Cob house, our Cob Barndominium, permanently. But there's problems, right? The things we've accomplished, lights in the bathroom. Right now we have 2 water heaters. We will have 3 in the end. So we have hot water in the bathroom, lights in the bathroom, running sink, huge bathtub. We can't take showers yet, but God, who wants to take showers anyway? Running water in the kitchen. We got a little bitty dishwasher unit. The stove works. The oven is like a European oven. The faceplate was glass. It broke. And it's kind of been a pain to recreate the whole settings. It's kind of a European, or God, who knows what country's oven. Very useful, very confusing. Not an American-based setting. There's lots of light. We got some lamps. There's some plugs in the kitchen. There's some plugs in the bedroom. We have AC. What is not done? I don't have my entertainment stand set up as I guess an American would look at it. I don't have my probably at least 55-inch screen TV, because that's the area that kind of built with the mantle. Maybe bigger. We don't have that stuff set up. I don't have the electrical installed. I could go put my face mask and my long pants and my long sleeve shirt and a hat and all these things and go out and buy some of these materials and these books that I need to figure it out. But, right, COVID-19. So, we're done right now because we're living in here. I've got a small refrigerator. I've got a pantry, bathroom. We can do all the things necessary. Sleep. I can control the temperature. But what you're gonna see is all of the after effects. I need to cover things. I still gotta cop things. We're painting things. We are adding shelving to things because, honestly, we don't know how to live in a Cob house. Most of you don't. When I was looking through this whole Cob building process, I couldn't actually find a lot of information from people who were living in their Cob houses 3 or 4 years after they showed up on Pinterest. And I have a big problem with that because I feel like a lot of Cob houses fail, or you get sick of the bugs biting you and stuff like that. So that's what comes after now. All of the sealing the cracks, making your own weather stripping because your doors are freaking weird. All the cracks and crevices and places black widows can hide, and scorpions and all that kind of stuff, and all the organic things I'm going to have to put in my house, insulation for the roof and stuff like that. So that's what happens when you possibly finish your 3-year Cob build and say, I'm done. I'm done means it's like it's just good enough for the Child Protective Services not to take away your children. I'm joking about that, but it's nearly serious, you know. I don't have enough food storage for cold storage. I'm going to have to put a refrigerator out here because I haven't built my laundry room yet, which is where my big fridge will stay. I haven't sealed all the cracks. I haven't figured out the crevices. I haven't figured out how to seal the whole house. The whole leveling process on the outside is still crazy. We're going to push pause in a second, and I'm going to show you some of the new stuff. But it is just a 5-page front and back college-ruled notebook paper of to-do lists that you just haven't figured out that this is what it requires to be in a Cob house. So stick with us, guys. The Cob Barndominium channel will change in nature because I'm no longer building it, but we are trying to make a Cob house livable in the year 2020 without materials like you would normally have in 2019 because of COVID-19, and just, hey, I'm a modern man. I have a modern wife. I've got kids. We want to go do all these kind of things. How do you make your Cob house livable? So that's why you're going to stick with us. You're going to subscribe. Send all your other people and all your friends to subscribe. I think after this video, we'll make 100 subscribers. So that's a big deal. We need to get to 1,000 so we can make this supportable. So, my God, how many years are we going to be working on this? I don't know, but that's what it means to be done. How many years, how much effort, how livable does it have to be? Thanks for watching, guys. We're here in Kingsbury, Texas, during COVID-19's 2020 April onslaught. Thank you for watching. You'll see us again.